What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing Mr. Blacksmith's welding table. Let's get to it. So this is the welding table in question. I haven't opened it just yet, so I'm going to be unboxing it, setting it up, giving you guys my thoughts about it and whether you should buy it or not. Alright guys, first impression, it seems to be packaged really well. As you can see, it doesn't appear like anything is damaged. Really solid packaging, has a styrofoam all around it. Hardwares are in boxes, really like it so far. Let's open it, set it up and see what we can find. The first thing I noticed about this is that it's, like I said, it's packaged really good. That's very nice. All the stands are well packaged in individual boxes. I really like that. When I removed the plastic wrap that was on this, it has a lot of oil residue on it. So obviously it's they put that on there to prevent rust, but it makes me think, is it that good of a quality if they're putting that on there to prevent rust? I don't know, that's up for debate, but that's just one thing I'm going to point out to you guys. As you can see, I have gloves on and it's quite oily already, but that's not a problem. I don't really care as long as it holds up and does what it's supposed to do. Not a concern of mine. So I'm going to completely assemble this real quick, cut you guys back on, and we're going to talk about how this is made, the metal and all that good stuff. Another reason why I purchased this compared to the thousands that are out there is that this does come with quite a kit. It comes with a lot of clamps and things you require to get the welding done. So in the package, there are 4 boxes labeled V-blocks, inserted clamps. I'm going to open all of this up and show you guys what's in it. And there you have it. This is everything that was in those 4 boxes out there. This is the stands, I believe, clamps that came. Super nice that you can get this. It's very nice if you're starting out in welding just like I am. So this is very helpful. So I'm going to completely set it up, and I've said that like 1,000 times already, but I'm going to completely set it up and show you guys exactly what this looks like all put together. As you can see, it's pretty much halfway built up. The only thing that's waiting, or the only thing I have to put on just yet is the leveling legs over there. So far, the build quality seems very good. I'm very happy with the way it is. The top plate is quite heavy, very solid. As you can see, it's stack welded on the inside. Obviously, they're too cheap to run a full bead all across it, but it's quite solid. Only problem I had was trying to lock this nuts all in. You have to use the other side of the wrench. If you use the round side, it will get locked up in there. That wouldn't work. So it's because it's pretty close together. Other than that, super good. They do give you lots of hardware, super good hardware from what I can see. And you do get another set of legs. So these are short legs, okay? So if you have a workbench or a tabletop that you prefer welding on and you do not want to run the full setup like this, you can use these short legs with the leveling legs attached or mounted to it and set it up that way, and you can have these longer legs for a spare, or you could even make a tool cart out of it if you really wanted to. So super nice, super good quality so far. I'm going to go ahead and put this leveling legs on it and then button it all up. Okay guys, and there we have it. It's fully assembled, and I gotta tell you, super solid piece. The powder coat finish on this is very lovely, and as you can see, lots of that oil residue I was talking about over there. It is what it is. Like, I'm not really concerned, but over here I feel like they could have made proper use of this space by adding another panel for tool storage and whatever, but that's not the case. But you could fix that yourself quite easily by picking some sheet of metal and just welding it up in there. Other than that, super good finish. The leveling legs are very nice. I would, however, prefer to have wheel casters so you can roll it around quite easily because it is a heavy unit. But that being said, it's not the end of the world. You can change that if you really wanted to. So the leveling legs that the unit comes with are quite nice, but I would prefer to have wheel casters on it so you can roll it around quite easily, because it is a heavy unit after all. But it's nothing to complain about. It is what it is. It is a very well priced unit. I purchased this on sale for 175 Canadian dollars plus tax, and it came out to about 195 dollars, give or take. So it is well priced for what you're getting. So this top plate measures at about, let's see what that is, about 0.15 of an inch. So, and the mountain leg measures at exactly this. Not bad overall, super well priced, super good quality. Very happy about it. So like I mentioned earlier, this kit does come with a lot of things. You have 4 sets of clamps over here, lots of other adapters. I'm not even sure what these are. Like I said, I'm very new to welding myself. That's why I purchased this. You have lots of different kind of adapters over here, something here, another one here. The clamps are really handy because you don't want to, when you weld, you want things to be stable, right? So super fine unit. If you ask me, I would say this is a definite buy for the price. I paid the sale price, like I said, $175 plus tax. If you're looking to purchase a unit like this, you should definitely consider buying this Mr. Blacksmith's unit. I haven't really seen anything that's really worth complaining about. It's all positive right now. It all depends on how this top plate is going to hold up after a few welding sessions. These clamps are pretty handy. If you want to use it, all you have to do is remove the nuts like this, just like I have done over here. Insert it in a certain position like this, and you put the nut in. Let's try to do this with one hand. All right, so with the nut secured in place, you can adjust this and secure anything you want to weld in place. Let's try it out. Okay, so I grabbed the first one I could find. Let's say this is where you're looking to weld. Adjust it like so. Tighten the clamp down, and then you can weld without it moving around. Super nice, super happy I got this. Like I said, no experience welding, I'm still working my way to that, but this is a fine unit to learn on. With that said, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see. I make videos like this all the time. Bike rebuilds, car rebuilds, all sorts of things. Kind of a jack of all trades kind of thing. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.